Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode we're going to talk about if Bitcoin can recover. Now, can Bitcoin recover? If you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord link. Will be posted throughout the stream. They're going out right now, actually. There we go. Let's see who's in the house. Elon Musk of lurking. Hey. SBCA, what's up? Royal Gamers, what is up? Fact says he's the fourth. Royal Gamers. Urdax. Philip and Andrew. Everyone's here, man. Everyone's here. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for joining me. JCT, hola. How's the subs number? Seems to be around the blockchain. They're good, man. We picked up a Steam at first, and right now they're kind of like slowing down. We picked up about 450 cents. Some of them through the show, and then most of them through around the blockchain. So, yeah, I think the euphoria from people seeing me that might not know me has already died out. So, you know, I think that's about the number we're going to pick up. Sounds fair. Chandler recovery. Yo. Redax procrastinating the buying. Yeah. You can see what's up. Octavio, hey. Let's roll. Let's do this, guys, right? Again, I don't have a lot of time. I'm actually going to basically be closing the list at Riot. That's it. It's going to be a short stream today. I do have, remember, my wife's out of town. I'm taking care of the kid. And yesterday, he didn't go to sleep on time. He ended up going to sleep at midnight and was hell to pay today when he was in school. So I'm going to have to end the stream as soon as I finish, right? The Dark Wolf's Den. Thank you for being here, man. You should recover up to 50K before correcting back to 40K with a month time. It's an interesting way of looking at it. We don't know yet if we're going to do a V-shape recovery yet. But let's go to the market. Let's see what's happening on the daily. We had the bullish divergence. Action to the upside. We're starting to recover some of this market cap, right? Going up yesterday, going up 17%, approximately $246 billion. Not too bad, breaking above that 382 at 1.57 trillion. Right now, sitting at 1.63 trillion dollars. You have anything else? No, that's it. That bullish divergence we just managed to hold on to. That's it. That's all it played, right? Neutral at 40.70. Very nice. We should still be looking for action to the upside. There's no divergence that is bearish. And if we keep on going higher, we might get across here the MACD over the signal line. And with that, we should be looking for more action to the upside. Jesse T, that's what you're selling around the blockchain. That is awesome. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Let's get the market cap. No, Bitcoin dominance. Where's it at? 44.23. Is it gaining dominance? No, it lost a lot of dominance yesterday. Oh my goodness. Bitcoin needs to lose dominance for the price to go up. What are we going to do? We're going down to 20 right now. And we're actually going down in price also. So sometimes they're not directly correlated. And I've stated that before plenty of times, right? Dominance and price of the asset, sometimes they're not directly correlated. Sometimes they're inversely correlated, right? Look at this. I already showed this the other day, but all-time highs for Bitcoin. Look at his dominance. Was at all-time lows, right? Then on that recovery on June or July 2019, should be somewhere around here, I think, right? June, July. Now, these new all-time high, where are we at? We're also losing that dominance. So it seems that when Bitcoin loses dominance, its prices go up. Again, not directly correlated. Sometimes they're really not correlated at all. It just means how much of the market it has. And sometimes it does not affect the price, right? Because there you can get off the market through other assets, right? To other fiat, directly off Ethereum and other coins without going to Bitcoin. And that would in turn make it gain dominance while, you know, the other assets pick up, basically you exit fiat. So they're losing dominance in the market. Same thing happens, right? You can go and buy Bitcoin with, or you can go buy Ethereum with fiat, making it so you don't go through Bitcoin. Therefore, Bitcoin dominance stays the same. Or actually, Bitcoin's movement stay the same, but the fact that you're buying Ethereum with fiat makes it so that Ethereum goes up in dominance because now, you know, it's worth a lot more, right? Or it has more of the market, you could say, because of the price movement within the asset. Let's go to Bitcoin futures at 38,580. Man, are we going to close gaps? I hope so, man. It's been hell. Where did we go yesterday? Did we close gaps yesterday? Or when did we leave a gap? It was here. We kind of haven't. Yeah, we kind of closed this one. We should be still trying to go higher. Maybe to close this gap up here. That would be very nice. That would get us to around that 49,000 area. Again, Bitcoin futures still keeping an eye out. Where are we at here on this, right? We shifted a little bit. If you remember yesterday, we shifted a little bit here on the advance. And we're still within, and I said we might be looking for a bounce. Hopefully, we'll keep on bouncing after hitting that, parabolic advance area. Say, no way, we don't want lower prices, and we can start going back on track to our, $100,000, $300,000 area. Let's see. On the other side, neutral at 47.31. So again, hidden bullish divergence. We are trying to hold on support here on the weekly. Let's get on that daily and figure out what's happening there. Oh my goodness, it looks so horrible here. Let's get a log scale. Let's go auto. There we go. Why there's so many lines? Why are there so many lines, Martin? You're gonna ask. Because there are a lot of supports and resistances. Do they play? Yeah, they play. Right. Let's see if we can adjust here. It's a Bollinger Bands also messed things up a little bit, but we can tell we went and wicked resistance. One wick resistance at 40,000. Right, yesterday we did hit 39,853, very, very close to our target at 40,023. Today we're going up again, rejecting slightly. Let's see if we can get above that area. We have that bullish divergence that we talked about yesterday, right? Or yeah, yesterday. And look at that, pumping us higher, right? So that's fine for Bitcoin right now. Let's go to the 4 hours and see what's happening. We're sold at 35.98 on the 4 hour chart. We had the bullish divergence, right? We had in the daily, we had in 4 hour, we had in the 1 hour. Remember, we said a lot of crypto is having bullish divergence. We might see action to the upside. We're breaking this line. That means we're going short-term bullish. Guess what happened? Finally got above that 20 moving average. Look at that. We hadn't been above that 20 moving average since May the 10th. finally breaking and sustaining it for a candle. At least let's hope we can keep on this bullish momentum. Where can we go? We might go down to 37,000 to find support. We might even go to that 20 moving average at 36,815 to find support before we try to bounce again. It could be that we bounce from here. We're bullish right now. We're short-term bullish. That's how the market's feeling. Now, high to low, low to high. We do have this island, so we ignore that. But guess what? On the RSI, we do have this also hidden bullish divergence, right? So let's leave this here on the 4-hour chart. And for some reason we wanted to go on the weekly, we'll say no. And there we go. Low to high, right? So a hidden bearish divergence against the RSI, putting pressure on the price. We're putting pressure at a resistance. So we're starting to see some of that moving down, a little bit of stagnation, maybe sideways. We'll see how this Bitcoin handles this, but there's that hidden bearish divergence, and we're neutral 53.53. Last time we had it was back here. We did move down quite a bit. Let's hope that's not going to be the case, and Bitcoin's bullish enough to hold on above that 20. Here we had a fake break above the 20. We just broke for a candle. Next candle on did that, so it was a fake breakout. Now we are breaking out and confirming for 4 candles straight, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 candles outside. Let's hope we can go in bullish and keep on pumping. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, see what we have here, man. On the 1-hour chart, we had this bullish divergence. We had this long divergence against the MACD, short term against the RSI. Action to the upside. We are pumping in now. Now we're creating that divergence. Look at this. First, we can say that we're going from high to low here, right? That's going to be hidden bearish. It did get us to go down a little bit to support. Oh man, magic. We have supports, right? Right, low to high, low to high, right? So support. We want support. Went down to that support at the 37,393. We popped and we're rejecting that 40K area again, coming back down to that 20 moving average. Why are we going down? We have strong bearish divergence. That strong bearish divergence is going to certainly try to put some pressure on that price. Make it go lower, right? It's going to try to make it go lower. If we hold the 20, we have a good chance of bouncing. If we fell at the 20, could be going lower. HD 5000 says it's a trap. It might be. It could be. Neutral 58.49. It's not yet determined, right? We're still writing a lot of history. We're still seeing indecision. Just because we went up yesterday does not mean we cannot go down today, or we can keep on trying to recover. Like I said, a lot of indecision in the market. We just had a violent move down. We have not really consolidated. So we're also waiting to see some consolidation happening here. Ray Emperador, thank you for being here. Double bottom where? On the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, and where? What time scale? Don't have it here, and we don't have it here. So no double bottom yet. Are you saying that we might go down and do a double bottom pop? It could be. Not ruling that out. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum at 2,637. What's happening with Ethereum? Who knows? What can someone tell me? Someone tell me what's happening with Ethereum? We're looking for this hidden divergence, right? Hidden divergence, action downside. We did move down a little bit, taking a pop again. Very nice, still bullish. We'll check in a second. We might be creating some bearish divergence there towards the end. We don't have anything bullish here. We're coming lower, lower, and lower. So right now we're neutral at 44.82, pumping because Bitcoin pumping. Guess where we went? Resistance today, very, very close to 2,789. We did hit a high of 2,788. So we're $1.91 off. Very close to target. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, bullish divergence, action to the upside. We were waiting for that move. We did get above that 20, above that 236, starting to climb and rejecting very close to this 382. That 382 at 2,765. Again, we went slightly higher, but we rejected 2,789. We know our resistances are good. Neutral 56.90. Again, do we have divergence? Yes, unfortunately here we do have divergence. Same divergence that Bitcoin had, right? Hidden bearish. Stalling the price, stagnating. And again, from here to here, right? Again, we're having the divergence. It just means that we might get action downside, maybe sideways motion. Hopefully, this strong bullish could still trump this hidden bearish. We could still try to go higher. That said, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Brandy May, what's up? Thanks for being here. Again, I'm not taking a request tonight, guys. Remember, right? It's a quick stream. I'm with my kid. I have to finish it kind of early, so after Riot, I'm going to be closing down the stream for tonight. Yesterday, he didn't go to sleep on time. It was hell to pay today at school. Basically he wasn't paying attention in classes. He was very distracted, so I'm gonna make sure he goes to sleep on time today. I'd already tried that, so hopefully he'll be asleep by the time I get out from the stream. Otherwise, oh man, it's gonna be a mess tomorrow. Action to the downside, going down a little bit, have bearish divergence now, strong bearish. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. We are bought at 65.19. Again, with that potential for action downside, we might hit for that 20 moving average at 2,496.22. That's a target for this right now. Soon, High Card Jesus, soon. Not right now. A couple minutes. Oh, woman said went to visit her family. So she took my daughter, but I stayed with my son because he had school. So he doesn't want to go to sleep on time, dude. He doesn't want to go to sleep if I'm not in the room. So it's, yeah. I have to kind of finish early today. Nalgadas. I know. No. HD 5000. Have I tried Benadryl? No. I'm not going to give my kid medicine so he goes to sleep. Neutral. Sorry, bought at 63.53. Again, nothing bullish right now. Just this bearish divergence. We still have this bullishness here. Can we run? Again, I think Ethereum recovered very nicely yesterday. How much did Ethereum recover? 26%. How much did Bitcoin recover? How much did Bitcoin recover? We didn't look. I think it was 12, 13% or so. 11%. Almost 12. So yeah. Ethereum recovering much better than Bitcoin. Doing really good. It might mean we might get pullback. We're back on this area on Bitcoin, right? This area of support resistances that we had left open. How do we know? Because we left a very, very quick move here. So a lot of orders that were not filled. That's what we kind of found support here on the way down until we broke it. Now we're back on this area. So it's okay for Bitcoin. Let's go back to Binance. I was going to say Litecoin. We don't do Litecoin right now. Binance, where's it at? So everyone thoughts on Tencent. I'm not sure. I haven't seen Tencent, man, right? Yeah. Anyways, bearish divergence. Action to downside. We're moving down on Binance. Let's go on that daily again. We didn't quite double top here. Would have looked at this bullish divergence hit in action to the upside. We're starting to pump a little bit. Finding resistance at a fib node here. It's one of the larger fib nodes. It's one of the minor fib nodes. 50% at $356. $356.45. Again, Binance not doing too bad, still trying to move up, and like Bitcoin, it came back down, found this quick support here. That support is from the 50%, I think, from a larger scale. Or for some reason, no, it's a support I have there. 336, that's it. Found support there. And we are sold at 38.61. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Alts have been blowing off, but dominance pump. Yep. Yeah, hopefully we'll see, right? Again, bullish divergence action to the upside. When we were here on the 4-hour, we were lower. Guess what happened, right? We did pump back up for some reason. And here we go, right? Again, bullish divergence action to the upside. We're starting to recover a little bit. Going back up again, resistance, that is fine. Same divergence that we're seeing across the charts, right? It might start to stagnate the prices of some coins. We really got to push bullish if we want to get break this divergence, and it's hidden bearish. So, you know, chance of it might going down, right? Again, strong bullish might still pump us higher. We'll see. We're neutral 55.24. Let's go to that 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we had bullish divergence. We were trying to rally. We were creating this hidden bearish. It stagnated for a couple candles, which is fine. Stagnated near resistance, that 50% resistance, right? And then we kept on moving higher. On that move, we're starting to come back down on the RSI. So on this move, again, slanted bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence in that. And we could be looking for some action to the downside here on the Binance. Too bad for Binance. Here we go, right? Again, this is a move from here to here and from here to here again. Right now, we don't have anything against the RSI. Neutral, sorry, bought at 64.65. That is it for the Binance. Again, possibility for action downside. 2 candles going down red. How low can we go? Well, we're going to try to find support here at 336.84. And if we break that, we're going to have that 20 moving average at $323 to look for to support. Let's go over here, man. The Litecoin. What's the Litecoin doing, man? What is the Litecoin doing? Hold on, quick second. Kid knocking at the door. I'm back. Sorry about that. Oh, man. Like, his emergencies are not emergencies at all. Right. Let's go here. Litecoin. Litecoin, nothing bullish. Again, starting to pump back up. Hitting that resistance at around a 50% retrace. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. See what we have here. We had the bullish divergence. Again, something from the 1-hour came over. This one shouldn't be here. It's from the 1-hour chart. Send it back there. Send it back there, and send this one also back there to the 1 hour. Makes no sense where it's at. That's how we know. Bullish divergence action to the upside, starting to rally. High to low, low to high. Again, same bearish divergence hidden that we're seeing across the market. Also out of resistance, generating stagnation, and with that, possibility for action to downside or maybe sideways motion. I really wish crypto was doing a little bit better and stronger. I mean, it did good. Don't get me wrong, but you know, I really wish it was doing better and pumping a lot more. Again, 25% pump in a day. I'll take that any day. Neutral 50.33 again. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I just don't want to see bearish divergence right now. That's the whole point. Bullish divergence strong. Action to the upside. We're creating this hidden bearish. Guess what? We still had it here. We stagnated for a couple candles. Nothing strong, and then we got rid of it, right? As we kept on climbing. Actually, no, we kind of kept it here. Move down. Now we're going higher. Now we're coming lower. And on this move, we are creating bearish divergence. Strong. Just like Binance had. Oh no, look at this. It wants to go all over the place. Why? Why do you want to go all over the place? Hello, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. With that potential fraction downside out of resistance, like we were saying, right? We're starting to pull back down. So again, it's important to know where your resistance and supports are, guys, because that's where you're going to find if you have divergence and you're near support or resistance, it could play against you, right? Particularly bearish divergence near resistance, strong bearish divergence near resistance, chance of rejection, strong bullish divergence near support, chance for bounce, right? So again, important to know where your supports and resistances are. We're bought at 62.09. On that note, let's go to the RSR. How's RSR doing? At 3.9. Did pump quite a bit. How much did it pump? 36%. Not bad. You could have bought RSR and been 36% richer today. Nothing bullish. It's all on Bitcoin. Sold at 36.44. Let's go on that 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour bullish divergence. Actually, the upside, taking a pump, right? We knew that yesterday. A lot of crypto had it. We've talked about it. Neutral at 50.62. With that, we are fine. Again, are we doing the same divergence? Yes, we are. Unfortunately, we just have this divergence. We have not been able to shake it off. I don't like it. I don't like it. It just, blows. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, again, a strong bullish divergence action. Outside, we were looking for that hidden bearish. We were struggling to get above 3.12. Finally get above it. Next target is at 4.62. Hopefully we can get up there. We don't seem, oh, we do have that bearishness also. I was going to say we don't seem to have the bearishness, but it is here. Strong bearish divergence, like a couple of the other projects. Now, is that going to be good? Not sure, man. It might trigger an action to downside here, right? We are bought at 65.08. Again, not the coolest thing to look at, man, right? I just don't want to see anything bearish right now. I want to see coins keep on pumping. But no, we decided to go bearish right now. The vault. I'm kidding, the vault. At 0.15 cents. I'm just going to check this real quick. If it's more or less where it was at, I'm not going to really be doing a lot for it. 4.6 sats. All right, it's trying to rally. Awesome, it's doing something. Finally, someone kicked this and poke it with a stick. Let's bring the MACD here and the RSI. What is happening with those? Right, what is happening with those? Quick second again, kid again. I'm back. Sorry about that. Yes, life of Barrett. It's weird how their emergencies are simple things, right? It's like it's like not an emergency, man. Low to high, low to high, and low to high. We are bought at 68.33. So again, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour chart, see what we have here. I doubt we're gonna be having anything because it was just so flat, but high to low, and high to low. Nothing bearish, bought at 65.71, nothing bullish either. So with that, we're gonna move on to the daily, I guess, right? Sorry, no, let me go back to the 4 hour. I think we had some hidden divergence here. I'm actually gonna have to double check. For that, I'm gonna have to make this larger. Right. Low, high, and then it's here, right? It moves from here to here. All right, there's some hidden bullish, right? Low to a high point, positive momentum to more positive momentum, hidden bullish divergence, and that's why we're rallying, which is, again, pretty cool. When was this? The 18th? Wow, it's a couple days ago. We're on the daily still? We're on the daily. Is it showing me the daily? No, here's the daily. It's looking weird. Low to high. nothing bearish. We are neutral. 57.16. Hopefully we'll keep on pumping, right? Hopefully we'll keep on pumping for DVT. That being said, let's go over here and do the next coin. Next up, Ren. Ren and the other half is Stimpy, right? Ren. Where's Stimpy? Where's Stimpy, Ren? Let's go here. 47.51 on the daily. What is happening? Again, wow, let's see the chat. There's something happening here. The Dark Wolf, it's fine, man. Any strategy you have will be okay, right? Just do your thing. Should be fine. If that's working out for you, you're golden, man. If not, you should find a strategy that works. Stymie, I saw a good tweet suggesting Elon just created his own Bitcoin fork. It'll be interesting. I wonder how many people will buy it so he can dump in them. Maybe he can accept it on Tesla and then reject it again, right? G Word, what is up? Again, short stream today. Thank you for being here, man. Low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Nothing bullish for Ren. Pumping a little bit with Bitcoin, pumping 30%. Again, it looks like a little bit when we were here. It looks like a little bit, but it pumped quite a bit. Low, again, nothing bullish. We're just sold at 36.12 again. We might have something on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, again, we were looking for this bullish divergence. I know I'm noticing I'm saying again a lot. Gee, I got to remove that from my vocabulary now. And then, I'm going to say and then. I'm kidding. Bull trap complete. Now watch everyone get wrecked. Yes, hopefully that's not going to be the case. Low, lower, and a low to high. Same divergence that we're having across the markets. And we've seen through some of the coins, right? Some of the coins having this divergence. Hidden bearish. It might bring stagnation into the market. Neutral at 52.16. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And here we have that. You know, what are we doing? Lower. More negative, lower, going high, coming low, here we go. We have this divergence, right? And then we're going high to low here. So strong bearish divergence for potential action downside, like we had with Bitcoin, like we had with Ethereum, like we had with a couple of these coins. Brady May says I bought 7 alts when Bitcoin was at 31.5. So debating on selling them now. If they're pumping and they're doing 30% gains, you might want to take some of the profit, right? You might not want to take all the profits in case they keep on pumping, but you might want to take some of the profit. Let's keep rolling. Let's finish. We're going to round off with Riot. Again, guys, sorry about the short stream. I had a long day at the office. Took me a little bit longer than expected to get, make dinner for the kid, and then I'm not able to get him to go to sleep. So, oh man, it's been a tough day, right? So I came in late. I'm just gonna do a quick stream again. I need the kid to go to sleep on time. What do we have for Riot? Bullish divergence, right? We're not really pumping. We're moving sideways. We haven't really developed anything else here. We are neutral at 38.68. The false flags. Thanks for being here, man. What is up? What's up? Yes, let's keep rolling. Someone said they wanted to see Riot. I'm not sure what you want to see here. I can FIV this for sure, right? We haven't FIV this. It might be good to FIV Riot, right? I'm going to consider somewhere back here to be the low point. We can even consider somewhere here to be the low point. I don't think we're going to get a lot of difference here on anchoring, but that's going to be our high. And we are very close to that 786, so we have dipped quite a bit. We can measure it from here to here and see how much we've dipped. We've dipped 71%, just like crypto. Oh my God, isn't that crazy? Sitting at $25.95. Is it a good buy? Maybe if Bitcoin pumps and this pumps with it, it might be a good buy. It did pump 13% yesterday, just like Bitcoin pumped 13%. So not too bad. Don Juan, what is up? Conspiracy theories that Elon and Michael Saylor are making the green Bitcoin cartel. They'll try to modify purple. We'll see. Yeah, someone saying that he's gonna fork whatever. I just read that. Right, someone posted it here in the chat. Let's round off to Bitcoin again, see where it's at. We're about to close the hour. As soon as I close the hour, that's going to be it. We are going red still on the daily. On the hour, we're still red. We're going for that 20 like we said we might. And that 20 is sitting at 37.95. Again, strong bearish divergence for Bitcoin. Trying to move down on that. On the 4 hour, we have that hidden bearish divergence that is putting some pressure on the price. And like I said, we could go to a 20 moving average at 37,850 or this support here at 37,393. Now, what's going to happen once we get there, or where, depending on where we go, right? But anywhere, any move we do here, right, we could go low to high. Why is this not working? Here, I'm doing Alt T and it's not selecting it. All right. any move we do here from here to here would be going from negative momentum to less negative momentum. We're starting to make a new negative momentum island right here at 69.14. Negative 69.14. Now we're at negative 69.86, right? So that's where we're at with that negative momentum higher. And we really need this to come lower, right? So it needs to, if we want to get something happening here, we need Bitcoin to dip more, maybe even here. So make more negative momentum, right? And go lower. And then with that, be looking for a pump. Otherwise, we're not going to be having anything here. Any drop to this level would definitely be making more negative momentum. If it's a quick drop, if it's a slow drop and we just start going slowly, we might create, we might not create anything, and we really need to have some divergence for us to pump again. That would be very healthy. So looking at Bitcoin, where it could go, I do believe we could still go up. Is there recovery in? I think we could still recover a little bit more. Again, right now we're at that 20 moving average and trying to hold it. If we lose it, we know where we could go, right? Again, it's back down. So we already talked supports. If we break that 37,393, we have 35,733, and below there, 33,000. So we have been at these areas before. Let's hope we can keep on recovering and hopefully getting above that 40,000. We talked about that. Bitcoin's going to be very good if it's above that 40,000 area, particularly 40,023. It's going to be a support. And then we could really start talking about potential recovery, right? Right now, I'm still seeing indecision in the market just because we pump. Doesn't mean anything. It is a bullish engulfing candle on the daily. Let's mention that, right? Because it is bullish engulfing. It is almost twice of this candle, right? This was 2,700. This is 4,100. So yeah, about, 1.5, a little bit more over 1.5 times this candle. So not too bad, right? Again, we should try to keep on pumping here on crypto. That being said, guys, we have a lot of people watching, very few likes. If you like what we do, hit the like button. So I know I have not been mentioning this. I'm sorry about that. I'm rushing through the stream. I need to get going. Very short stream for today. Randy Matthews, everyone that's hold through the biggest crash ever. Salute. Yo, thank you for being here, man. Yeah, we're all saluting each other now. It's all good. Guys, I hate living when we're top on viewership, but we have 51 people watching. I need to get going. It's sad enough. Hit like them on the sub. Sub, definitely, if you're liking the content. It's always amazing to be here. It's awesome when you guys come over and we have this great stuff happening in the chat. Any cause for a drop that just happened? No, just rejection. We have bearish divergence. We already discussed that. Dean, on the 1 hour, right? Bearish divergence here. Starting to put some pressure on that price. 4 hour chart, hidden bearish divergence. We're seeing that across the market. This should just mean action downside, potential stagnation. We could even go sideways. And this, all the coins we looked at today have them, right? This hidden divergence is there. And on the 1 hour chart, some of them have this bearish divergence also. And that's what we're seeing across the market. Just like yesterday, we were seeing the bullish divergence across all the coins. Today, we're seeing bearish divergence across all the coins. That could imply action to the downside. Like I said, there's still indecision in the market. We had a violent move. We haven't consolidated. Let's see what's going to happen here. Guys, thank you for watching. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. Like I said, a pleasure. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. We're just discussing ideas. On that note, sorry the streams cannot be longer and our usual length, with me taking requests and you all being like, yo, that's amazing. How do you do that? It's magic. Right now I can't do that, but hopefully starting Wednesday or Thursday, we might be back to normal. Depends on what time my wife gets in, how tired she is, etc. But that being said, guys, thanks for watching again, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Stellar Crypto. You're welcome. And join us on Twitter, right? Link's going out right now. Mond Green, thank you for being here, man. Again, if you didn't catch a stream, catch the replay, watch it again. I get the views, I get the ads, y'all get to have more entertainment, and I'll catch you again tomorrow.